Hi everybody. In this operation we are witnessing full set operation in one of the Iranian oil fields. Now we want to check the quality of full set log in anonymous oil field, well number Z. Okay, let's check the quality of run number 1, including resistivity and sonic log. Because of the mod type, which is oil water-based mod, we use dual lateral log in this operation. Okay, let's check the quality of the log. At first, we should check the readings of the logs in the cap rack. Let's go to the cap rack. As you can see, the quality of logs in this interval are not good. Based on the readings of the gamma ray, which is equal to about 10 GAPI, and high readings of resistivity, we can say that this is a good indication of cap rack. Okay, we can check the quality and the readings. After that, we should check the readings of sonic log. Sonic. Please open the sonic log. Based on the driller's data, here is the readings of delta T or sonic log. What is the tools of sonic?
DAL.
Yes.
Digital acoustic log.
Yeah. In this job we use the DAL tools for sonic recording. Here in this interval, which have the lowest amount of gamma ray reading, about 10 GAPI. The sonic reading is about 52 microsecond per foot, which is the reading of anhydride. So we can conclude that this is the cap rack. After cap rack detection, we should check the casing shoe depths. Based on the driller's data, the shoe depth is about
79.
79.5. Okay, let's check the casing shoe depths. Okay, we should see the resistivity log. Please open the resistivity log. In resistivity log, we have caliper. Okay, as we can see in the main log or the up log, we have a caliper which is adjacent, associated with MSFL tools. As you see, when we reach to the cap rack, the quality of the logs will be ruined. Here, the resistivity log shows the bad reading from 20, 28, 20, 26, 20, 26, 84. 2684. From this point to the up, the quality of the log will be lower. So this can be a good point for casing shoe. 26, 25. We can check the sonic log. Could you please open the sonic log? Exactly. At this point, the quality of the log will be lower, and this is a good indication of caprock. So, based on the sonic and resistivity logs and gamma ray reading, this casing shoe should be at point 2680 for driller's depth, MDD. Okay, after determining the casing shoe depths and the readings of sonic and resistivity at caprock, you should check the readings of both logs in the open hole section. Let's check the readings of resistivity in the open hole section. The readings of resistivity log. DLL Tools prepares three curves: shallow reading, shallow deep reading, and MSFL reading, which is the resistivity of the invaded zone near the borehole. Okay. From up log, from the top hole. As can be seen, there's a good trend between the deep resistivity, shallow resistivity, and MSFL reading. By scrolling down, all curves are depth smashed. Scrolling down, please. And they all have shows a consistent curves with each other. Scrolling down, please. In some points, there's a considerable difference between MSFL with shallow and deep resistivity. This may be caused by borehole conditions, borehole walls, or mud type. Okay, let's scroll down. Totally, we have good readings prepared by the DLL tools till to the TD. Okay, we can check the quality and readings of DT curve, sonic DAL curve through the open hole condition. Could you please open the sonic file? The header, please show the header. Okay. These curves shows the transit time in microseconds, and the blue curve shows the DT curve generated from the TT curves. We can, by scrolling down, please scroll down. As you can see, in some intervals, the readings of DT are affected by the borehole condition. This may be due to high speed of logging. Okay, scroll down. So we should check the quality and improve the quality by playback with a lower speed. How can we improve the quality of sonic log? Could you please explain about the playback? In playback, you change the windows, gains, and speed. Yes. With how much you will change the speed? With one
One or two minutes per minute.
one or two.
I will record the log.
Okay. Oh, please scroll down. As you can see, the quality of reading of sonic log is not acceptable. So we should relog or playback the reading. Please scroll down. These readings are acceptable. Down, please. Okay, we reached to the bottom of bottom log. Could you please check the resistivity log again? Top hole. I want to see the top hole where the caliper log will be closed at the casing. Okay, as you can see, the caliper will be closed at the casing. Okay, thanks for attention to this matter.